Meron tayo ditong module LM386 amplifier. Yung output niya mono. Ito gagamitin natin tablet, audio source. Kailangan ng audio cable, stereo, then dual mono. Meron tayo ditong converter, resistor. Gagawin niyang mono yung stereo. Ang speaker AIMA 4 ohms 5 watts. Ang supply natin 12 volts battery. Nakakabit na lahat. Play natin. Yun yung kanyang volume control.
Ayan o. At yung isa, delikadong mag-short. O, itong isa, kabilang dulo. Okay? Teka. Ayan. 21 milliampere. Sakto lang yung amperahe niya para sa L20. Diba?
We have the LM386 amplifier circuit diagram. We have the tablet, the audio source. In tablet, we have the left channel and the right channel. Left channel positive connected is 1K resistor. Right channel positive connected is 1K resistor. And then to the other end connected is 33 ohms resistor. So we converted the left and right channel stereo into a mono, going to be inputted to the input of the LM386. Ground of the LM386, and then the ground of the tablet, also the ground of the supply. They are all connected together. And then we have the supply 12 volts from the battery, lead acid battery. So what is the use of this stereo to mono conversion? It is necessary to use this conversion in order not to short the circuit or the tablet. We're going to destroy the left or right channel of the tablet when there is no resistor, because sometimes we have a signal in the left channel, so the tendency of the current is to flow into the left channel and also to the 33 ohms. So we need a resistor to prevent from damaging the tablet. And then we have here the speaker. So we have a positive negative of the speaker. We're using 5 watts 4 ohms speaker. We have the potentiometer inside the board to control the volume of the module. So we're using the 12 volts battery instead of switching mode power supply or SMPS. We use this battery 12 volts. So that is the connection of our module.